Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. Today I am going to resolve Telegram connecting problem. This issue can be resolved through two methods. So whichever suits you, you can try that one. So let's start the video with the first method. Open your Telegram application and see when you open any new chat, new messages are not loading and even you cannot send messages. First go to your Play Store and search Super VPN. Install this VPN and connect it to any other country except where you are living right now. After doing this, go back to your Telegram application and you will see that your connection issue will be resolved. But there is another method which is even better and without VPN. Go to search bar in Telegram and search proxy. Select any group from the feed. Now you have to do is adding 3 or 4 random proxies by simply clicking on connect. Now tap on this icon on the right upper corner and connect any one proxy from the proxies you added recently. Also turn on Auto Connect Proxy option. This helps when a proxy is not working and it will automatically switch to another one. This way you can easily use Telegram application. So that's it for the video. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and I will see you in the next one.